Hello there. I'm down. I'm down here. I'm. I'm over in the corner. So welcome back, if that's what you want to call this. So I know this is not exactly what everybody thought was going to happen in regards to when you signed up for this class, but hey, here we are. Yeah, we're gonna get through it one way or another, and hopefully you should still learn a bunch of stuff and have fun and all that kind of good stuff. So, like I said, we'll get. It's not gonna look exactly like your normal photo B would have, but that's okay. You'll still be able to get a lot out of it. Oh, my dog just knocked over a picture. Come here, come here. This is Albus. Come here. He's my he's gonna be my office mate. So anyway, sorry about that. Um, that's just kind of how things are these days, huh? Anyway, so yeah, back to this. So I know originally we were going to do class individual websites for everybody, and you still can if you want to go that route. Um, I don't want to stop you from doing that, but since I'm not there to kind of help walk you through everything, um, I think it'll be just as easy just to submit all of your stuff through Schoology, and you can just submit the original images and all that kind of stuff too. So, and that's totally fine. Don't have a problem with that. If you do want to go the website route, that's totally fine too. For instead of submitting the images in Schoology, what you'll do is that you will submit a link to your website, so that way I know that you submitted it. Okay. So what I have pulled up here on the screen is this is Schoology, obviously. The way it's going to work is that each week you're going to go in, each day you're going to go into here. It should look, mine's going to look a little different than yours, but you're going to go into extended flex learning. Okay. So in here, so we have a spot for called frequently asked questions. You do have questions, you can just totally just throw them in there, right? Not a problem. You guys can help each other out, answer some questions. I'll go in there and answer questions. This is just going to be kind of like a free for all kind of space. You have your contact me, which is me. So if you're looking to contact me, you can. I have open office hours, which are right here. Okay, so all you really have to do is boom, between 9 a.m. and 11 a.m. You just click on that and you'll pop up and I'll be doing video chats and all that kind of stuff. Okay, you can email me or you can actually just send me a Schoology message. Any of those work. Okay, um, let's go in here. So the way it's going to be set up is each week, you can go in here and it'll have the week schedule, week blah 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 blah. Um, you will only see 1 week at a time because I just don't want you to be overwhelmed and stressed out and that kind of stuff too. Okay. So in here we'll have a couple things. So week one schedule. So this is just kind of a brief overview of everything that we're going to do, right? So this week, you're going to complete one of your weekly photo assignments, and there's a link to it right here. Explore the different editing options. Work on finishing your composition basics if you haven't done that, and submit feedback Friday. Okay, so a little bit more detail stuff here. Let's go back. The video, every week I'll also make a video, just kind of like I'm doing right now, just kind of so you get to see my face a little bit, whether you like it or not. Um, Also, I'm gonna do a Spotify playlist every single week, and yeah, I'm gonna do just count different themes, different genres every single week. Maybe you'll like it, maybe you'll hate it. Whatever. And then it'll be broken up day by day, and it'll say what to do. Right. So on Monday, which is today, as we enter this new world, we need to figure some things out, right? So, how to submit assignments, how to edit photos, what assignments are still doable, and so this is gonna be an ongoing process, right? Things might change a little bit depending on how, yeah, as we learn as we go, right? So, in regards to Sorry. In regards to software for editing, there's a handful of different options. So we have Lightroom on your, there's like a Lightroom version on your Chromebook that you can now download. They just got it up and running last Friday. There's a app called Snapseed, which is not bad. It works. There's another app called Pixlr, which is okay. Um, Personally, I think Lightroom is your best option. You can use your phone if you have access to like Adobe Suite and all that stuff, you can definitely go that route too. But I think this is probably if is going to be your best option is the Lightroom. I want you to just kind of go in and explore and kind of play around with it. So this week's going to be there's not going to be tons of stuff to do just because I want you to take some time to actually go in and play around with some of the different I would say try out at least two of them. Okay. So you are going to go to the class website link, which is right here, and you're going to create a black and white photo. It's your weekly assignment. Each week you'll have your own. I'll have a new little like weekly assignment type of thing. Um, let's see, and you're going to submit it this Friday. So this coming up Friday, April 3rd. Okay, let's back up. So that's just Monday, right? And then Tuesday. I don't think there's much going on. What's on or sorry, whatever your A day. So what to do, right? So go in. If you have not finished your composition basics, get that done, right? I mean, I know some people were working with it before we left, but hopefully you have you should have been saving them on your Chromebook, or not your Chromebook, but your Google Drive or somewhere accessible. So what you're going to do, or a lot of people just have them on their phone, which is totally fine too. But yeah, I want you to finish that up. So A day, B day, you're going to work on those. Friday, you're going to get that finished too. And then on Friday, so you're going to submit your composition basics. So originally, remember I said submit 3 of each. I only want you to submit 1 of each now for your composition basics. You only have to submit 1. Okay. Week 1, this is your black and white, which is the link in there, and then share your photos Friday. So all that is, it's not going to be a graded thing. I just want to see what you've been doing, right? And so this is a good way to share so other people can kind of see some stuff too. So you're going to submit an image of something that you've taken of this week. Something obviously intentional, not just like a selfie or something like that. But submit one of the pictures that you've been working on. It's a good spot to get some feedback or just to kind of share some of the stuff that you've been doing. So, but yeah, so that's this week. Like I said, every week's going to be set up pretty similar. And so if it's a work day and there's really nothing else going on in there, it's going to be empty. It's just going to say B day, work day. So please, 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 in this kind of weird time that we have, do not be afraid to reach out to me. Okay, whether that's through office hours or Schoology or email, like if you have questions, don't hold it in, right? Even if you think it's a silly question, okay, throw it out there. There aren't any silly questions, especially not right now when there's so much weird stuff going on. So, please get in contact with me, and hopefully you have an okay week. It's not too stressful, and I don't know, that should be it. So, good luck. Keep me in the loop of what you need, what I can do for you, and then we'll go from there. All right. Bye.